So we're here with Will and oh boy, we're on super wide view.
You got a packed car. Here, I can pass it to me. I'll show who's in here.
Hey.
Hello, everybody.
Hey.
Say hello.
Is that Jeremy?
No.
Hey.
There you go.
All right.
No.
So I was on my way over and we were in the E36 and my airbags went off and shattered my entire windshield. So that's why we're not in the E36 today. We got the old daily. But we're still coming to do a shoot and maybe get some clips. Now that they're done screaming and I can speak. The place we usually do donuts at, there's at least 15 on the other side too. Do you think
That's the entire state of New Hampshire?
Like every state in New Hampshire.
Do you think they're mad at us or what?
That's what I was thinking. We were here like 2 days ago.
Dude, I feel they would. That's shit for like a drug cartel.
That's
That's like, why is the SWAT team not here?
Please do
I
it.
get mad if I just went in and did donuts.
Do it, you won't. Like, oh, what if they're training here? What if they're using this like a training facility?
You know that's not that bad of a. Oh, there's a dog.
They're not here for us if they have dogs. Guys, Will done up. As soon as you hit the snowbank with your bumper, I knew it was gonna happen.
Brakes, and I was like,
Yeah, that's what fucked you. She's all stuffed up.
What I expected.
We're all piled in the Civic. We're leaving the 240 to go try to find someone to tow it out.
No, we're not. We're just.
Or we're gonna go leave it for a while.
Yeah, somebody knock on something that's wood. 'Cause I feel like this is a little bit of a bad omen.
What's up, Josh?
It is stuck in here.
Can you not invade my privacy like this, bro? Dude, this thing rips.
what?
We made it.
5 minutes.
Alright guys, Will's on the phone with the cops right now. I'm not sure how they got it.
I have no inspection sticker.
He doesn't either.
Okay.
How'd they
Alright,
get his
sounds
phone
good.
number?
Bye.
How'd they get your phone number?
On the
Probably
license plate.
registration. Or from the
Oh,
latest
plate,
mobile
yeah.
plates. Fuck, I don't have an inspection sticker.
Wait, are
Yeah,
they
me
waiting
neither.
there for us?
Yeah.
They are?
Yeah.
God damn it, dude.
Hopefully it'll be dark enough where they don't notice. Not even that bad.
No, it's not bad.
That was so slow.
I know. It was such
It was
a
like
slow-
watching it in slow motion
disappointing,
too. Whenever it happened, I was like, I knew exactly what was gonna happen. Nice. Chill. Will, do you want me to chill here or talk to him? I'll come out.
I guess the road is a little icy. I wasn't going fast, I have no idea. So the brakes just locked up.
Okay. How do you plan on getting this out of here?
I'm gonna tow it up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Do your
Yeah,
thing.
I'm gonna run up there, turn around, and then position this way, and then I think we'll
Okay. I left you a little note too.
Oh, thank you.
What you right?
I
Said, please do not tell.
Yeah, we had it figured out. We were just waiting on him to get out of work. So.
You're coming down here to take pictures?
yeah.
It's a pretty cool picture spot when you don't get stuck in a snowbank.
It didn't hit the tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, in the video, it looked like you were going fast, but you were
Alright. You guys can do your thing and we just have to wait until it's back.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
good.
for
A bunch of
sure.
people complain. I'm just protecting you, Nick.
Yeah.
I guess we can just use one then.
Yeah, I would just use one because I don't want it to come apart. Leave this one on here?
Yeah, because that's the only one that fits. These ones don't.
What an adventure. Oh my god. Keep going, keep going.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Perfect.
All right. All right, you're good. Easy money, dude. Oh, your parking brake is on.
Keep driving down.
Oh my god, dude. Alright. I'm on my way out the door for work, but I wanted to show you guys exactly what happened to the E36 yesterday. I know I mentioned it in the car when we got to Walmart, but I didn't really get to show you guys. So here it is. So obviously, as you can see, the windshield is completely shattered. The cracks go all the way across. If we go inside the car, obviously you can see that the airbag has gone off. I mean, it cracked this whole cover plate, which I mean, you kind of assume it would. But yeah, the whole entire windshield is toast. Other than that, other than the windshield being toast, the car is fine, obviously. I did go off the road because of it. I kind of panicked and I killed the car, which then obviously locks the steering wheel. Because I had no idea what was happened until I was like in the ditch and realized that the airbag went off. So quite the eventful day yesterday. More things on the to-do list. Yeah, from here I'm probably gonna end off this video. Wasn't as jam-packed as I'd like it to be, but we had some content and I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.